Hello everyone, so my name is Sylvester, the freshest PhD holder in town, and this is actually my second CAPSI retreat at Mpumalanga. Last year was the first one and it was actually a great blessing. I remember when I came here, I had some challenges regarding some of the objectives that I had to look at, and I tried several options as to how to go about it, and I couldn't get any support. But when I got here, I had the opportunity to interact with some of the professors who actually walked me through and gave me that assistance to overcome all the hurdles that I had, and it was actually a great blessing because at the end of the day I was able to complete that objective and then finally submit my thesis. And as I'm speaking now, I am glad to let you know that my PhD has been confirmed and officially I am a doctor. And I want to say thank you so much, CAPSI. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for all the support you've given to students. And I want to encourage you out there that whenever you see such opportunities, don't miss it. Put in your application, come around, you have fun, interact with other professors around, and they are going to give you a great help to overcome all the hurdles you are facing in your PhD journey and then get to where I have gotten to now. Cheers.